Welcome to the future of teaching, Proctor AI. Let me show you how easy it is to use it. Go to the Proctor AI website and create a teacher portal. From the dashboard, you simply click Record Lecture. This opens the recording page where you just hit record button and start teaching like you normally would. As you speak, Proctor AI listens and converts your words into clean, structured text in real time. So yes, your spoken lecture becomes organized notes instantly. Once you're done, you save the lecture by adding a title, the subject, how many quiz questions you want, and the duration. And that's it. Your content is now ready for AI to generate a quiz automatically. Next, head over to the History tab. Here, all your past lectures are neatly listed and ready to assign. To assign a lecture, just click Assign. You can select students one by one or use pre-saved templates to speed things up. Once done, just hit Send Assignment. Simple, right? Now, let's look at what students see. As soon as you assign the lecture, quiz appears instantly on student portal. With one click, they can start answering questions tailored specifically to your lecture, so it tests understanding, not just memory. Once submitted, students get instant feedback along with personalized reports showing their scores, weak areas, and progress over time. It's like a roadmap for their improvement. They also get to see trends like how their performance has improved, what areas they have mastered, and where they need more practice. It's like having a personal learning coach built into every quiz. Now, back to teacher's view. All students complete the quiz, Proctor AI generates a detailed class report instantly. You will see who's grasping the content, who's struggling, and which topics need revision. You can track performance trends, spot top performers, and identify students who need help without the guesswork. This is modernization. It's smarter teaching, deeper learning, and classroom that evolves with your students. All powered by Proctor AI. The future of education is already here, and it starts with just one lecture.